Hello Aries, I'm going to be doing your tarot card reading from the 8th to the 14th of May 2020. I've already shuffled the cards, meditated on them and laid them out, so we straight away start with your reading. Um, the week opens with confusion because there may be some doubts in your mind uh, regarding a situation. Um, you might have put in a lot of effort to form some kind of a partnership with someone or some association, but there doesn't seem to be any proper either reply from the other party or the kind of desired feedback that you expected you would have got. You're feeling highly intuitive at this point of time, and your gut feeling and your intuitions are telling you that this partnership is going to be beneficial for you. So you should do whatever it takes to work on this partnership to make it happen. So whatever necessary paperwork that needs to be done, all preparation, um, maybe mental or written documentations, or just doing your own study of getting things ready to make new plans, so that you can in some way reach the deadline which you have set for yourself, um, to approach this partnership. You may be looking at other options also, but your mind is pretty much focused on one, and you hope to attain that. You're trying to manifest that, but there are setbacks, and because of which you feel discontented. um, I feel that the kind of feedback or the kind of reply that you are waiting from the other party, I don't think it's coming. Maybe you're not getting approval for what it is that you are asking. Maybe you're still not getting the success. So even though you might be trying very hard to open up a channel of partnership with someone, there is unnecessarily situations which are asking you to wait. Um, you may be very diligently focused on this partnership. You may be very keen for this partnership. Um, it may also be a romantic partnership, it can be a business partnership, it can just be family associations. But you're very keen for it, and you feel that it's going to bring immense happiness. Um, you have all the necessary tools that are required right now to manifest this partnership, and you're doing everything in your capacity to manifest this. But I feel that there could be some battles which involve ego, uh, one-upmanship, not maybe some things might have happened in the past which are against which are sort of delaying this partnership. So the other person or the other associate in this partnership may be um, still holding on to that uh, grudges from the past. So you may feel dejected, disappointed, uh, feel a loss of, you know, a loss of heart. You feel heartbroken because you feel depressed. You've put in a lot of hard work to get to this partnership, and you're trying very hard to reach out to this person or this associate. But no matter how you try, it's there is a sense of ego and some kind of a mind battle, a mind game, which is you know not letting you reach this person. So I feel that towards the end of the week, you will find a necessary requirement for yourself to, kind of just move away from the situation for some time, and meditate for answers from within, and try and understand that um, why things are not materializing, if it's even worth to carry on, whether it's worth it to continue your efforts, whether you should consider other options. um, you might try to diversify and try looking for other options, but I just feel that I'm not seeing a success card for you so far. So you just might take a decision to step back and think, to reevaluate, to get enlightenment from within as to um, how to achieve this, or whether to achieve it at all. There are going to be challenges, there are going to be opportunities, both. Um, but may not get that much of reciprocation, sorry, as much as you are expecting. So um, be brave, be optimistic, um, keep going for it. If you really believe in it, don't give up. But if you feel that you're banging your head against a brick wall and there is no scope, then maybe you should think of planning otherwise. So this week could be surrounded by these thoughts in your mind. I hope this reading resonates with you. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you receive regular updates from me. And I hope the coming week is proves to be beneficial for you. I'll see you again next week. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.